my channel. This is Herbal for Eruú Naturals. So today I want to show you how to make your kiddies herbal black soap for a flawless skin, and this soap is going to take care of skin rashes, eczema and spots on your baby's body. Yes, so that's the recipe I want to show you how to make today. Now before we get to this video, if you are just passing by for the very first time, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me to grow this channel. I would really appreciate it, like seriously. And also give me a thumbs up after you are done watching this video and it was very helpful to you. Also, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, your families. Invite them, always share with them to see what we are doing here. And one more thing, don't forget to also put on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, thank you so much for sticking around with me. Okay, let's get straight to the video for today. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to be needing our black soap. Yes, I'm going to be working with 1 wrap of black soap. You can use whatever black soap you prefer, whether the Ghana black soap or the Nigerian black soap. Yes, so I'm working with my Ghana black soap today. Yes, I'm going to be working with my orange peel powder, my sandalwood powder. These are going to help with the rashes, to get rid of the rashes on your baby's skin. Yes, orange powder and orange peel powder, sandalwood powder. I'm going to be working with my turmeric. This will also glow your baby's skin, like seriously, to glow your baby's skin, and it will also help get rid of the spots, eczema and rashes on your baby's skin. I'm going to be working on my vegetable glycerine, preservative. This is going to moisturize your baby's skin. If your baby has dry skin, please go ahead and add coconut oil to this mix. To this recipe is going to help moisturize your baby's skin. Yeah, I'm going to be working with half cup of my powdered milk. I'm going to be working with my sulphur. Yes, sulphur is very good for the skin. It's also going to help eradicate the rashes and all that on your baby's skin. I'm going to be working with my goat milk powder, my vanilla fragrance. This is not necessary, but if you don't like the smell of your soap after you are done, then you can add your fragrance to your mix. Also, I'm going to be working with my papaya extract. All these, mind you, all these are natural ingredients, so they are totally safe for your baby's skin. Okay, papaya extract, this is going to glow your baby's skin, and it's going to just brighten the skin and bring out their natural color. Yes, so don't be scared. This works very well for your babies. All right. Also, I'm going to be working with vitamin C, carrot oil, and some eggs. If you don't have your carrot oil, then you can go ahead and substitute with your carrot powder. This is my vitamin C that I'm going to be working with as well. Eggs, yes, and then honey. My honey is very big, so here it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get on with this mix. Also, you need a mixing bowl. Make sure it is washed and sterilized. Okay, we don't want any germs or bacteria on your baby's skin, so make sure you wash and sterilize all your equipment. Also, you're going to be needing your measuring spoons as well to measure your powders and your ingredients for this mix. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my black soap in my bowl. and then I'm going to start adding my dry ingredients. Okay, 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, 1/2 cup of milk. I've already measured that, so I'm just going to pour that in there. Okay, so I was supposed to add in some lemon juice, 60 ml of lemon juice, but I couldn't get some to buy. So when you're mixing yours, you can go ahead and add your lemon juice if you prefer. If you like, it's not necessary. Okay, if you like, you can go ahead and add your lemon juice to your mix. Okay, 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay, let me mix in my dry ingredients first, and then I'll go with the wet ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder, goat's milk. I'm going to be working with 2 tablespoons, vitamin C. I'm going to be working with 2 tablespoons, sulphur. I'm going to be working with 2 tablespoons. Okay, so now that I've added in all my dry ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my wet ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in my eggs. Please help me with the eggs. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of honey. You can do more honey if you like. Honey glows the skin. Okay, it's a natural glowing agent, so you can do more honey if you like. But since I'm working with just 1 wrap of Ghana black soap, I'm going to be working with just 3 tablespoons of honey. My papaya extract, I'm going to be working with 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add in my vegetable glycerine, 2 tablespoons as well. Okay, since I'm done adding all my ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up with my hands. Okay, make sure you have your gloves on. You can use your piston to go ahead and just mash this. Don't pound, just go ahead and mash it. Black soap is not very hard, so you can use your hand to mix everything together, and then or use your piston. So since I don't have my piston, the piston I have here is very big, and this is a small bowl, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my hands to mash this all up. Okay, so after mixing the soap, this is how it turns out. Now I'm going to add my fragrance and then my preservative. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of my vanilla fragrance. Use whatever fragrance you like. You can use banana, whatever. And then 1/2 tablespoon of my preservative. Mix that all up. And that's it. This soap is going to get rid of skin rashes on your baby's skin. It's going to glow your baby's skin, and also get rid of if your baby is suffering from eczema and body spots, black spots or dark spots on their skin. This soap is going to clear all that out. So give it a try and let me. Okay, so once you're done mixing, you can then pack your soap into your containers, right? You can also make this soap into a liquid soap. If you want to make it into a liquid soap, after you have done all your boil hot water and then put your black soap in it, stir while you add your ingredients into it, and your black soap is going to melt, and that's it. Pour into your containers and use. So thank you so much for watching my video. If this video was helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed, if you are not already a subscriber. Also share this video with your friends and your family members. Okay, I sell these products as well, so go ahead and send in your orders as well. If you know you don't have the time to produce this amazing soap, go ahead and send in your orders, and I'm going to send them to you. Thank you so much for sticking with me. See you in my next video. Bye.